Is your Moneygram app acting up, leaving you frustrated and unable to send money? Let's get your Moneygram app back in action with these quick fixes that tackle common problems like crashing, freezing, and login issues. First, we'll clear the app's cache. This is like giving the app a fresh start on your phone. Go to your device's settings. Then find the Apps or Applications section, locate the Moneygram app in the list. Tap on Storage, and then you'll see an option to clear cache. Please note this will not delete your login information or any saved details. Just tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that might be causing the problem. Next, ensure the Moneygram app is up to date. Outdated versions often have bugs. Head over to your device's app store. Search for Moneygram, and if an update is available, tap the Update button. A stable internet connection is crucial for any financial app. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal or reliable cellular data connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try toggling it off and on again, or even restarting your router. If the app continues to crash or freeze, try force closing it then. Attempt to log in again if you're having login troubles. Double-check your username and password for any typos if you've forgotten your password. Use the Forgot Password link on the login screen. If none of these steps resolve your issue, it's time to contact Moneygram's customer support. You can usually find their contact information within the app's help section or on their official website. They'll be able to provide personalized assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to get your Moneygram app working smoothly again in no time.